Students choose to take BTECs for two main reasons. One being that they offer a range of subjects that are more aligned to the workplace as opposed to the strict academic boundaries that are set in traditional contemporary education. But also because throughout their early education, students develop a range of skills which lend themselves well to continuous project-based assessment, which the BTECs offer, as opposed to the A Levels, which are largely exam-based.
Studying BTEC courses equips students with skills that employers want. To succeed on a BTEC course, students need to be independent researchers, academic writers, excellent time managers, and collaborative workers.
I took BTEC Business last year, and it really helped me transition from GCSE to A-Level because I take a lot of coursework-based subjects, so it kind of helped me be able to write my essays more and focus more on my coursework.